In today's lesson, we're going to be comparing unit rates. Now, as a refresher, a rate is a comparison of two quantities, such as how much something costs and how many ounces are in it. A unit rate is when you're looking at a singular one of those. So for example, the cost it's going to be per ounce. If we're comparing unit rates, we're going to be noting similarities and differences of two different items or two different unit rates. For example, if I'm at a store and it's a certain price for 16 ounces, and then it's a cheaper price later, but there's fewer ounces in there, it's helpful to get both of those down to a unit price so that we can compare them to each other. So for example one, we're trying to determine which one's the better buy. Something that's $6.60 for 4 cartons or $5.25 for 3. Now when they say better buy, they're asking for the cheapest unit price. This means that we need to find the price per unit. I'm going to be taking the price of the item and dividing it by the number of units. For the first item, we're taking $6.60 and dividing it by 4, and I get a unit price of $1.65 per carton. For my second problem, I'm taking our $5.25 for 3 cartons and dividing by 3 and getting a unit price of $1.75 per carton. Now we've done all the calculations. Now we need to actually compare. Our cheapest unit price is the $1.65 per carton. So that means our better buy is the $6.60 for 4. Example 2, Luke walks 4/5 of a mile in half an hour. Taylor walks half a mile in a fourth of an hour. Who walks faster? Speed is going to be referring to miles per hour here. So I'm going to take the number of miles and divide by the number of hours. So Luke walking 4/5 of a mile in half an hour would be 4/5 divided by 1/2. Since I'm dividing fractions, I'm going to end up multiplying the reciprocal of the second number. That gives me 8/5, and that simplifies to 1 3/5. Meanwhile, we have Taylor who walks a half a mile in a fourth of an hour. I'm going to be taking half a mile, dividing by a fourth of an hour. I rewrite it as a multiplicative problem. So 1/2 times the reciprocal, which is 4/1. That simplifies to 2 miles per hour, which is a faster rate than 1 3/5 miles per hour. So Taylor is the faster walker. Sometimes the unit rate isn't going to be what you logically would put together. So for example, speed is measured in miles per hour, so normally we divide by the number of hours. But in this case, they're asking how long will it take them to walk 1 mile? Since the miles are what we're trying to get to 1, we're actually going to take the hours and divide by the number of miles. So it changed the order of our division. So my first kid, Luke, walked 3/5 of a mile in a half hour. So I took the half hour and I divide by the number of miles. So Luke is going to take 5/8 of an hour to walk 1 mile. Taylor, on the other hand, took a quarter of an hour to walk half a mile. So I take 1/4 divided by a half. And that's going to give me 2/4 of an hour per mile, or a half of an hour per mile. So Luke is going to walk a mile in half an hour, and Taylor's going to walk a mile in 5/8 of an hour. Here's a problem for you to try on your own. So pause, try it, and then play and check your answer. Since the problem is asking who is faster, we're looking to compare their speeds or their miles per hour. Luke walked 2/3 of a mile in a fourth of an hour, so we are going to divide 2/3 by 1/4. When I'm dividing fractions, I end up multiplying by the reciprocal. That gives me 8/3 as my answer, which is 2 2/3 miles per hour. Taylor walked 3/4 of a mile in 2/3 of an hour, so I'm dividing 3/4 by 2/3. I multiply by the reciprocal, and I get 9/8, which is 1 1/8 miles per hour. So who walked faster? Luke, because he walked 2 2/3 miles per hour.